How to set a password on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can set a password on your REDnote app. It's quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in your profile page, simply tap on the gear icon beside the profile button and you'll enter the settings section. In this section, simply tap on the option labeled account security. Now look for the second option labeled password and simply tap on that. And here you can create your new password. Make sure it's strong and something you will remember. Use a mix of letters, numbers and symbols for extra security. And once you're done, you can simply save it. And that's it. With this, you will be able to successfully set a password for your REDnote app. With this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.